Hello guys, today we are going to make onde-onde or klepon, and here is the ingredient. The first is pandan leaf.
Second is brown sugar.
The third is coconut. The fourth is flour.
Happy watching!
Ah.
Okay, the tools are water,
Salt.
Pan, bowl, spoon.
Okay, the first is puree the pandan leaves. Then mix flour with pandan leaves that we have mixed. Until the brown sugar like this.
Put like that and make like that, and then put brown sugar into this flour. Make sure the brown sugar not too much and not too a little, and just so because it's make good.
Until like this. Okay. Heat the water until it boils. And then put this onde-onde in the water. And then mix the ball onde-onde like this.
Tada!
Scrape the coconut until it's smooth.
Here is onde-onde traditional food.
Selamat menikmati!
You're falling apart and it shows. So take your time, as sweet as it.
Okay, I will conclude how to make onde-onde. First, prepare tools such as pots, bowls, and strainers. For the ingredients, namely flour, grated coconut that has been refined, brown sugar that has been cut into small pieces, pandan leaves to taste as coloring, and enough water. The second, make a flour dough, then mix in the pandan leaves that have been squeezed. The third, heat the water until it boils. The fourth, make the dough into a round with brown sugar filled. The fifth, after the circle is finished, put it in the pan. The sixth, wait until it's cooked. The seventh, after it's cooked, remove the onde-onde by draining it. The eighth, after it dries a bit, coat the onde-onde by grated coconut. Okay, the last onde-onde is ready to be served. Thank you.